Hey y'all, I am back to show you some more Copperknob tricks and tips. And let's go ahead and get you to the Copperknob website. If you haven't already created an account, up there at the top, click on the register button. Or if you already have, go ahead and log in. Then it will take you back to Copperknob's home screen. Up there on the top, we're going to focus today on My List. So if you click on My List, yours will probably not have any if you haven't created any lists. As you can see, I have quite a few. I like to keep a list for workshops I attend, every instructor that I go to. I even have a list of dances that I want to learn. So that's where I stick any of the step sheets or dances that I hear about that I don't want to forget that I know I want to learn, or if I see one on the floor. In fact, there's another one that I want to add, so we're going to go to Step Sheets. I'm going to go to Most Popular. Maggie Shipley has a new dance out called Cowgirls On, right here on number 26. So I'm going to save that, and I'm going to scroll down to my Want to Learn list. And now I have a nice way of saving it so I can access it quickly when I'm ready to pull that up and learn it. As far as creating lists, up there on the right hand side, if you create a new list, it will go ahead and create it right at the top of your list for now and just call it New List, so you can edit. Give it a name. For today's purposes, we'll call it Example. Give it a color if you'd like, and this is where you can choose to keep it to yourself or make it public. If you check the public box, it will create a QR code that you can download, and then it will create that file that you can share via text or email or however you'd like. What I've done in the past with these QR codes is created some flyers. Here's one I created for the barn dance where I dance. What's nice about these is the QR code will always stay updated. So we've laminated that flyer and have it posted, and that list always stays updated when people access it. So here's our new list we created for our example. We're going to hit OK. So now it will be in alphabetical order. There's my example list, and it has 0 dances. So let's go find a dance to put there. Let's go to Step Sheets. Let's go say I want to find a dance based on a song that I heard. 62 Chevy. Whoops, I hit 39 Queen. Whatever. 39 Queen. We want this dance for whatever reason. We want to save it. So we're going to go to Save with the little star button and then scroll down to that list that you want to save it at. I'm going to try to scroll, if it will allow me here, to the example list that we made earlier. There we go. Just hit the check mark there in the box, make sure it's selected, and now that step sheet that I want to save will be saved in our example list. And we'll go back, and as you can see, there's one dance now in example. Another way you might want to save step sheets is if you're somewhere and they have printed step sheets available for you, like this. You see up in the top corner, there's that Copperknob QR code. So if I scan that, it takes me directly back to Copperknob's website. We can do the same process of save. This was from Bonnie's class tonight. As you can see, I saved it a little earlier, so that's checked that I learned that in Bonnie's class. So we'll hit close. So back to my list. So I hope that helps you understand how to create lists, use lists, and how you can make them work for you and share them with others. Have fun dancing.